Stop rambling in interviews, start starring your answers. Exposing the secret to sounding confident and clear in any situation. Let's break it down. The STAR method is your go-to formula. S for situation, T for task, A for action, R for results. First, set the scene. What was happening? Next, what did you need to do? Then, what action did you actually take? And finally, what happened because of it? Use STAR and watch your answers shine. Interviews, meetings, just explaining yourself. Try it next time. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe.